Hello, everyone. You are not here by accident. You have been checking your phone, waiting for a message that has not come, replaying that conversations in your head, wondering if you made a mistake or if he or she did. And somewhere underneath all of that, there's this one question you can't stop asking. Will he come back? Will she come back? ये रीडिंग उन सब के लिए है जो ब्रेकअप के बाद साइलेंस में है या नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन में है, जो एक सिचुएशनशिप में फेस है जहाँ कमिटमेंट कभी आई ही नहीं, जो नो कॉन्टैक्ट में हैं और नहीं जानते हैं कि वो कुछ फील भी करते हैं या नहीं, जो एक साइड से प्यार करते हैं और थक चुके हैं। ये रीडिंग उन्हीं के लिए है। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम डोना। द कार्ड्स टुडे केम आउट स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हिज और हर एनर्जी वाज प्रेजेंट व्हाइल आई वाज पुलिंग। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। नो फॉल्स होप, no drama. Just let's see what cards are actually saying to us. So, we have the moon card, and it is the card of what lives beneath the surface, the things people don't say out loud. He or she is not over this, but he is also not dealing with it. He is sitting in confusion not because he does not care or she does not care, but because he does not know how to process what he or she feels. I am also seeing an emotional withdrawal here, which is happening on his or her end. He is pulled inward, not because of you. I'm saying that this is something he or she has been carrying before you and after you. A pattern of shutting down when things get emotionally heavy. This person is very sensitive, this person is very emotional. The opportunity to reconnect is sitting right there in front of him or her. He or she just has not reached for it yet. Okay? अगर आपका क्वेश्चन ये है that he or she has fully moved on, so no, he or she has not fully moved on. Because we have this card in reverse, and I'm seeing a transition away from this connection, and that is stuck. Okay, there is a possibility of transition, but it is in stuck phase. He or she keeps going back mentally, even if physically there's a distance. And ये जो silence है, ये indifference नहीं है, ये overthinking है. He or she is in his or her head about this more than you do. So, yes, if your question is, are they thinking about me? Yes, they are thinking about you. Okay. Now, one thing I need you to really hear, because the block is not what you think it is. It's not that he does not care, she does not care. The block is ego, ahankar, and fear, dar, in equal parts. So, it's a combination of ego and fear. And there was a conflict in the past between both of you. Okay, something was said or done that left someone feeling like they lost, and now there's a pride in the way. He does not want to be the one who reaches out first, because somewhere in his mind reaching out first means admitting the defeat. ये जो गेम चल रहा है अंदर अंदर, वो दोनों की फीलिंग्स के बारे में नहीं है। ये किसी बात पे हार फील कर लिया है उन्होंने, या मुझे हरा दिया है सामने वाले ने, इस तरह का जो ईगो क्लैश कह सकते हैं हम, वो दिख रहा है मुझे यहाँ पर। एंड दोनों में से किसी पार्टी का जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो भी काफ़ी हिट हुआ है। सो हिज कॉन्फिडेंस और योर कॉन्फिडेंस हैज़ टेकन अ हिट टू। वॉट एवर हैपन बिटवीन यू टू, he is not walking around feeling like he won. Okay, he's also second guessing himself, wondering if he made the right call, wondering if you have moved on. So these are the questions. For some of you, he or she is stalking you also, but not reacting on your stories or any of your social media platforms. And I'm also seeing a big collapse that could have happened, but it did not happen in a full manner. This connection has not been completely destroyed. There's still something standing here, which I can see, but it needs to be rebuilt. And both the parties have to make equal efforts. And things can be rebuilt, but not on the same foundation. So, you people have to work on the foundation first. Okay? Something has to shift in how you to communicate before this can actually work. वही चीज़ें जो पहले ब्रेक हुई थी, अगर वो हील नहीं हुई तो सेम पैटर्न रिपीट हो सकता है। if you are also looking for a reconciliation or to patch up back. Okay. And now you want to know that whether he or she will come back or not, right? So here I want to be honest with you. These are not the cards I was expecting to see. Will he come back reading for a general collective? These are genuinely good cards. Yes. The star, the two of cups, eight of wands. And I don't say that to give false hope to you. I say that because the energy is real. Okay. And we all know that the star card is the card of hope after the darkness. But more than hope, it's the card of healing, which is leading to a reunion, a beautiful reunion. It doesn't come in screaming, it comes in quietly, like a text on an ordinary Tuesday that changes everything. And this card says if reconciliation is going to happen, it will feel gentle when it does. It is not going to be a dramatic, it is going to be a real one. Okay? And we have the beautiful Two of Cups. And you know what? This is a partnership card. So, two people choosing each other. Yes, fully, unconditionally, with their imperfections. And it is not going to be a forced one, it's mutual. Seeing this here tells me that for a portion of this collective people, the emotional connection is mutual, even right now, in the silence also. He feels it too, or she feels it too. Take how it resonates. He just has not acted on it, or she just has not acted on it. Feelings तो है, action अभी pending है. And we have the timing card, Eight of Wands. Fast movement दिख रहा है मुझे. Things speeding up. Something will shift in the next few weeks. Okay. It is possible you may get a message, a sign, a mutual friend, or running something will break the static. Okay. So, yeah, within the next 8 days, for some people, 8 weeks, or maybe in August, कमिंग अगस्त 2026 ये मूवमेंट आपकी तरफ से नहीं होगी ज़रूरी कुछ एक्सटर्नल आएगा जो चीज़ें हिला देगा ओके एंड अगेन दिस रीडिंग इज़ टाइमलेस ओके सो वेन एवर यू सी दिस रीडिंग see the fast movement within that time period like within 8 months 8 days 8 weeks okay but one thing let me tell you honestly that reconciliation is here possible as per the cards energy. But whether it is advisable or not, that entirely depends on whether the patterns that broke things the first time have been looked at by both the parties. Okay? And both the parties have to equally work for it. The cards can show a return. What they can't do is guarantee. Okay, what they cannot do is guarantee it will be different this time. So that part is on both of you, not on only one party. Both the parties have to work equally in this particular relationship. Then only it is going to sustain even after reconciliation. And yes, I know that you also want to know should I reach out, should I wait, what do I actually do? Okay. So for this, the card that we have is the Hermit, and I know that this is the last thing you want to hear, but hear it anyway. The most powerful thing you can do right now is stop making this about him or her for a moment and start making it about you. Not because you have to play games or make him miss you, but because the hermit is saying there's an advice from this card, there's something in you that needs attention right now, and you know better. Something you have been ignoring because you have been so focused on this situation. ओके आप कितने टाइम से अपनी फीलिंग्स को साइड में रख के सिर्फ ये सोच रहे हो कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या फ़ील कर रहे हैं, कब आएँगे, कब मैसेज करेंगे, क्या चल रहा है उनके मन में, है ना? Your energy has been entirely outward, and this particular card says, "Come back in, come inward." Okay? And yes, we have the beautiful Queen of Cups. So this is you, very energetic energy, but you have to come into this energy. You're not there. Okay? Once you come in this particular highest energy, things will be different. And I can see you are a very emotionally intelligent person, grounded person, okay? Not desperate, not chasing, not available at all the hours. That kind of person you are. And this is the version of you that is most magnetic. And interestingly, this is also the version of you that makes reconciliation most likely, okay? But you should understand that no being too sensitive during especially during this difficult phase is not going to help you out, okay? You're genuinely okay with or without him. You should feel like that. Okay. एंड वो ओकेनेस रियल वाली वही अट्रैक्ट करती है वापस. ओके. सो या, बी दैट गर्ल और बी दैट बॉय अगेन. ओके. And yes, regardless of anything, new energy is coming. That is for sure. Whether it's him or her returning or something new beginning, I'm seeing. There is a spark of something fresh entering your life in the coming weeks. It can be any aspect of your life. And don't block it by staying stuck in what was. Keep your eyes open, my dear. His feelings are still present, yes. Something is blocking movement on his end. Ego and fear more than indifference. I can see a lot of ego clashes, a lot of fears. Okay. Now, for some people, it can be fear of commitment also. Okay. And reconciliation energy is real here. But the most important and powerful thing right now is your own healing, your own grounding, your own life. That's not a consolation prize, okay? That's the actual path forward. So take care of yourself, take care of your mental health. I'm seeing a lot of you are not also sleeping properly, you are just thinking about it, you are crying a lot. Okay. So, yes, take care of yourself first. That's very important. And yes, if this resonated, drop a comment telling me your situation. और नो कॉन्टैक्ट ब्रेकअप और सिचुएशनशिप क्या चल रहा है. आई रीड एवरी सिंगल वन. और अगर आप अपने हीलिंग जर्नी में क्रिस्टल्स ऐड करना चाहते हैं, सो फॉर द पीपल द कलेक्टिव हु आर गोइंग थ्रू दिस फेज, रोज क्वाज हीलिंग के लिए परफेक्ट है. इफ यू आर ओवर थिंकर, एमेथिस्ट. एंड यू कैन जस्ट टेक्स्ट मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. एंड या, you will get it there. And take care of yourself. You deserve that with or without him. Okay? Bye.